In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop page in Foxit PDF Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and you want to click on Crop Pages over here in the middle. Now, once you've done that, you basically have to select whatever you would like to crop. So, for example, let's say I want to crop this portion over here. You have to click with your left mouse button, and then basically just drag out a rectangle and release it whenever you're happy, and it's going to pop up this window, which is the Set Page Dimensions window. Here, you can go ahead and select the margin controls. Now, of course, you could do different boxes. I'm going to leave it as crop box. And then here, of course, you can do constrained proportions if you want to. That's completely up to you. Or you could just go ahead and set your crop over here on the right, which is much easier to do. Now, here you can change page sizes. For example, you could do fixed size, or you could then, of course, select whatever you want it to be, or you could do custom, and of course, you'll be able to customize that as well. But if you do it like this, you can go ahead and, of course, use this slider over here to be able to actually adjust it. Now, last but not least, you have to select the page range. So, for example, if you want to do this for all pages, you can do that for all pages, but if you want to do only for certain ones, you're also allowed to do that as well. So, you could also navigate different pages over here. So, you could, for example, go to the second page and, of course, change it, and then the first one and change that as well. So, yeah, that's basically how you do this. And whenever you're happy, just go and click on OK over here, and it's basically going to crop your pages. So, that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.